Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are all about the k sound. All right. If you didn't know what I was doing, I was quacking like a duck, 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 duck. So we're going to see if we can grab our pencils or our highlighters and connect the dots and form the C and the K with our hands. So we're going to practice our printing. And then on the back, there's a mystery sentence that you're going to have to connect and then draw that picture. It's from the video. So I hope you got to watch the video. Are you ready? All right, you start here and you go around. There's your C. You start at the top. 1, 2, 3. There's your K. Around. 1, 2, 3. Around. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see if our hand remembers. Around. 1, 2, 3. How's that look? Around. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! One more time. Around. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. All right, your dot to dot might have a different mystery sentence than mine, but I'm wondering what I'm going to have to draw today. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I recognize that. That's an A. A or A. Roll down and around. Around and down. A blah. Oh, I recognize this. This is the color that I learned earlier. A black. A black what? A black duck. A black duck. Oh my gosh, I have to draw a black duck. All right, I'm going to give it a whirl. First thing I'm going to do is draw his bill. Then I'm going to draw his head. And then I'm going to draw his big eyes. How's he looking? I'm going to draw a skinny little neck and his feathers. And then his little body and his feet. Oh, quack, quack. He has big feet because he swims. How does my black duck look? Oh, wait. I'm going to give him some feathers up top. And then I'm going to give him a color. I think I'm going to pick my crayon to color him because sometimes when I color in my markers, they wear out really fast. And I need my markers for all of my activities. All my Sharpies are in here. Miss Hay keeps her stuff in a jar. Do you have something special you keep your stuff in? Come on, Mr. Black. There you are. Found you. All right. Let's go, Mr. Black Duck. Let's give you... Oh, yes. You are looking good. I wonder if you just came from swimming. I love that I gave him a really skinny neck. And I like his feathers, and I like his feet. How did I do? You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to also color in his bill, which is his mouth, which I probably should have got the orange when I was fishing for my black, but that's okay. No worries. I have patience and time. Put them back like so. Now I'm going to color in the orange parts. This is his bill and his feet. There's my black duck. What do you guys think? What does he look like? I'll ask him. Duck, what's your name? What's your name, Duck? Oh, this is Herman. Almost like Herman the Mormon, but this is Herman the Duck. A black duck. So have fun tracing. And have fun tracing your mystery sentence to see what you have to draw. I wonder if you're going to get a black duck too. Maybe you might get a black duck wearing red socks. That's a big one. Good luck and have fun.